Whether you're living that nomadic or overlander lifestyle,
whether you're in a small rig or a big rig, this is about to change the game forever.
we're talking next level, just hit the streets innovation. Is this the real deal?
Or is it just hype? Well, we're about to find out, and we're taking you with us.
I'm Ruben.
And I'm Lori.
And we are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
We're a couple of empty nesters,
AKA Freebirds,
who have been on the road for 2 years.
If you want to follow us on our crazy journey, smack that subscribe button.
Karate chop that notification bell
to let you know when all of our videos drop.
Don't miss a thing.
Because it's going to be a bumpy ride, baby.
Buckle up, buttercups.
Let's go.
Boom. We present to you
the Slinky Stove Smokeless Fire Pit.
The storable solution. The only portable, telescopic, patented fire pit that stays intact, whether collapsed or in an operable state.
Let's open this baby up and check it out.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, let's get to it. And it's supposed to be a space saver. That is key when we live in this nomadic lifestyle. Space is everything.
All right, we got a lid.
We also have the 17-inch. It comes in 3 different sizes.
Comes in 25, 17, and then a cute little 7-inch for the tabletop.
That's good for the backpackers, you know, the ones that live in a car or a small van. Perfect. It's made from stainless steel, so it's very high quality. But my favorite part is the smokeless. Last night we were at a campfire, and in the middle of the night I woke up with a headache. I don't know if you guys all have the same issue, like smelling like smoke headaches. It's the worst. Comment below and let us know that you don't like to be all smoked out as well. Smokeless fire pit is like, oh, in our life.
Oh yeah.
Now that we unbox this sucker, let's check it out. I mean, look how compact the legs. Hello. This is as small as it comes.
Right there, bam. Nice and compact, fits in a lot of rigs. Okay, this must be the ash dish.
Yes, that's for the ashes.
Goes in there. This.
Oh, we have gloves.
Because some of these edges are a little sharp.
I have noticed already that these are sharp. Not like if you touch it, it's gonna, like, oh, you just split your finger open. No. But I'm pretty sure it can get sharp, so gloves might come in handy for people like me who are clumsy.
Yep. Here's the grill.
Nice.
Bam.
Check it out. We got a nice small, look how small this case is. Oh my gosh, look how small.
Heck
It
yeah.
compacts too.
That's awesome.
This is a freaking dream in our world. To have a smokeless fire pit get down to this small, because we wanted one, but everybody knows that those other smokeless ones out there, you know, the ones that look like big old trash cans, there's no way that we would ever be able to get one of those because those things are freaking huge. This, game changer. Oh my
Major game
gosh.
changer.
And you could cook on it. Dual purpose is a key. If you're overlanding, or if you're a nomad full-time RVer, if you have a big rig, or like if you're just in a car. This is not huge, and like I said, they had a smaller one as well.
We can go up, nice level like that.
One level.
1 level.
3 different levels. Hold on, there's a paper flying.
Yes,
I gotta
get
go grab it.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Don't litter.
Always pack it in.
Pack it out.
You can use wood. You can use charcoal. Or pellets.
Wood pellets, yeah.
So it depends on what kind of burn that you're doing or you need.
What kind of cooking you like to do. It works This isn't the tortilla challenge.
All right, now that we got everything under control.
Look, there's supposed to be like a hook.
Poker with handle. That's what that says.
Yeah, poker with a handle. Boom, handle. No poker.
Where's the poker?
That's what I'm looking for.
Oh, we're missing a poker, apparently.
Yeah. Come on, Bryce. It's not working. It's not working. It's this side that's caught.
Real life issues.
Yeah, what's going on here?
Ah.
There it is.
User error.
All right, so if you're cooking, you got this really high heat because it's really close to your fire. You can go to the
really
next.
Close to your fire.
Or you close to your food. And then you go up to the next level. It's kind of medium, maybe. I don't know. I'm just guessing. And then you can go even one more, baby. Boom.
Bam. There's 3 concentric rings. Oh, optimizing the airflow, ensuring a smokeless burn for a cleaner and more enjoyable experience. I know I would like a more enjoyable experience.
Yeah, I'd like the smoke to go straight up instead of in my face.
Yes, or just no smoke at all.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Created by Eddie, who's someone just like us, who wanted the other kind of smokeless fire pit, but storage-wise, he couldn't do it. So he designed this. Getting one of these, you will also support another fellow nomad who is trying to make all of our lives a little bit easier.
And with this, it's gonna make it better.
I am so excited to put this in use and really see what this is all about. I'm excited to cook on it.
I'm just excited to use it. I just want to see how
actually
good
functions.
It works. Yeah.
So far, it seems like this is like super easy, and it just seems a little too easy.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to figure out what are the cons gonna be. One of the questions I have, and we're gonna end up finding out, is how easy is it gonna be to clean inside after you cook? Is it gonna be hard to clean up? That's gonna be something that we're gonna find out later on as we, so there'll be a later review of after using it for a while and seeing how it really, really functions out in the wild.
Oh, we're gonna put it through the test.
Oh yes, we're gonna test it hard. It will help us cook outside a lot more, which we wanted to do.
Yeah, it'll make it a little bit more fun.
And easier.
Now, if you guys like to be outdoors, if you like being by the campfire,
but don't like the smoke,
here's your solution. Your storable solution.
The Slinky Stove.
All right, let's pack this baby up. Even a monkey can do. There we go. There's the first level. There's the second level. Bam, that was easier. Oh my gosh, that was way easier.
So if you're interested in buying one of these Slinky Stoves, you can go to the website slinkystove.com and it will take you directly to the link to go buy. Go check it out. All right. Bam.
Look at that. It's so lightweight, even a woman could carry it. What?
I'm out of here.
What'd I say?
I'm serious. This thing is really, really freaking light. I'm carrying a bunch of stuff. And the Slinky Stove. All right, so we invited our friends, Viv and Joel from
Chasing Our Sunshine,
to check it out too, because they were interested in looking at it. Let's see their reaction to it.
Oh, yeah, cool. The handles, you
there.
can lift it here and right there.
that is awesome.
And it all
Small.
fits in that case, so
That's definitely
the 3 concentric
similar
rings.
to the more popular one, or the popular one anyway.
Yeah.
Yes, but unlike that one,
This one folds down.
yes, collapsible and easy storage.
It's the only one that
Lighter.
stays intact whether you're using it or whether it's stored.
And it comes with gloves that you
Yes.
can read the Declaration of Independence with, which is important if you go to Mount Rushmore and find the secret cave.
Sweet.
That is really nice.
I like it.
I like this size.
Yeah, I do too. for us.
They need one. They'll do a review.
Yeah, take it to Alaska.
Ooh, they're gonna go to Alaska.